up? What is good? What is going on, knuckleheads and wet shave fans and leather goods fans? Coming at you today with an unboxing, something very, very cool from, as you can see, Wall Street Maker, big box. I do not know what's in here. They sent this to me. They asked me for my address. I've been following them since they started on Instagram in December. The way I found them was I was actually looking for a duffel bag, a travel bag for my brother-in-law, and I found their site, and they're like, oh, we're not out yet, we're making our stuff, but we haven't released anything. But now they've just have their website up, wallstreetmaker.com, and they're also available on Amazon, so you can check that out. I'll put links to both down in the description there, but their stuff, it looks amazing. Like I said before, I love leather goods, so it was a no-brainer. When they wrote me and said, oh, you give us your address and we'll send you something, I was like, oh, okay, no problem. So I don't know what's in here. So we've got a few different things on their website. So I don't think it's a wallet, because it's the world's biggest wallet if it's a wallet, but maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Who knows? Let's see here what we got though. Super excited about this. It's actually made, designed in Canada and ethically and proudly made in China. So let's open it up. Let's see what. Oh my god. This is, let's see what this is first. Very cool. Thank you for your support, and it has their different products they have on there. They have men's and women's stuff. Have a look there. Very cool. Excellent little touch there. Nice and well packed, and oh my god, this is unbelievably nice. Have a gander at this. Wow. This is their weekender bag, and oh my goodness. Beautiful luggage tag here. Great handle. Let's try to open it up here and see what we got inside the leather. Just the smell of leather is amazing. Really nice. Oh, I want to rip it. Open it up there. Oh yeah. As you can see inside, there's lots of different. There's a laptop compartment here. You can see that there. Laptop compartment. There's also lots of little compartments on this side. Putting your phones and your chargers, a couple zip-up bags, parts. It also comes with this beautiful, awesome. Really solid. You see those are really nice and solid clasps there. Not have to worry about those coming loose. Really like these. Holy jeez, this is nice. Look at that. So you get your shoulder strap. Just even the hardware on this bag is beautiful. Come up there. Really nice, solid stitching. Great hardware. This is beautiful. Look at this. Love the color. It's a darker brown color. Really nice. Not too big. Perfect for, like I said, it's called the Weekender, but it's perfect. Got lots of stuff in there. You can see. I'll take some more shots and add it to the video there, but this is beautiful. Nice brass on the bottom as well. I'd take off the plastic off those, but I can see. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how shiny those are. Beautiful. Just awesome. Thank you so much for this. This will definitely be getting a ton of use, and I'm sure you guys will be sick of seeing it on my Instagram, because I'm going to be posting with this every time I use it, because that is just something else. Just beautiful. I'm impressed by how big it is. The size of it is perfect, and the fact that there's so much, like a nice divider, laptop spot for you, so if you carry your laptop with you, it's perfect. Nice pockets on this side, I've already shown that, but nice zippers as well. Lots of space in here. You can smell the quality of the leather. This is awesome. I'm just going to read, see if there's anything else on this. Let's see here. Excellent. this little word from about how if you look better, you feel better. So carrying something like this is gonna make you feel better. I agree with that for sure. But Wall Street Maker, guys, go check them out on Instagram. Go check out their web shop. Go check them out on Amazon. Like, this is just beautiful. I cannot tell you enough like how solid and awesome this bag is. This is incredible. Thank you so much, guys. Super stoked to get using this. Have a great Easter weekend. I'll post this later on today. But yeah, have a great weekend. I'll be using this weekend. Fantastic. All right, guys. Peace out. Have a good one. Deuces.
1, 2, 3, 4.